plants also perform excretion. So number of waste materials are being there in the body of the plants which are needed to be removed off. So the products like carbon dioxide, water vapors, oxygen, okay, so these are to be removed. So it is very important to know that the gaseous wake like carbon dioxide and oxygen is removed with the help of stomata, okay, and it is directly released inside the air, okay. And on the other hand, plants store food in their body parts, okay. So they are also shedding their leaves, peeling the bark, we see the felling of fruits, okay. So but these are also the methods of removing the waste material by the plants, okay. So here is the question which is very important for the your board exams, okay. So that question, how do plants get rid of their waste products? So बच्चे first of all see the plants get rid of the gaseous waste product with the help of stomata, okay. And from their stem they have lenticles to remove, okay. And they store the solid wood material in they are removing it by shedding of leaves, peeling of bark, felling of roots, and they also excrete some waste product in the soil around them by the process of diffusion. Now let's discuss about the excretion in animals. But animals like amoeba, earthworm, human beings, they have different modes of excretion. First of all, let's talk about the unicellular organism amoeba. Amoeba remove their waste product with the process by the process of diffusion, okay. So diffusion बच्चे across its cell membrane, across its body the things are being removed off, okay. And earthworm बच्चे have a special kidney like structures called as nephridia. They work as a kidney and they remove the waste product from their moist skin. They have moist skin to remove the waste product, okay. So बच्चे human beings have special organ called kidney, and the nephrons are there, the units of kidneys to remove the waste products, okay. So let's discuss the removal of waste products. But it is very important that what are the products are to be removed from the body of human beings. But there are two main products harmful there are two main harmful products in the body of human being which are to be removed, that is carbon dioxide and urea. But human beings are called as urotanic animals because their end product is urea. The carbon dioxide removed with the help of lungs, okay, by the respiration process, and urea is being removed from the kidney in the form of urine, okay. So this waste removal is called as excretion.